Imagine if your computer could learn to recognize your voice, recommend your favorite movies, or even drive a car without being explicitly programmed. Sounds like sci-fi? It's not. That's the power of machine learning. Hi, and welcome to Innodemy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning, the technology behind some of the smartest systems in our lives. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence where computers learn from data to make decisions or predictions without being programmed step by step. Instead of following fixed rules, they recognize patterns and improve over time. Here's how it works. You feed a machine tons of data, like photos of cats and dogs. It studies the images, spots patterns, and eventually learns to tell them apart. The more data it gets, the better it becomes. That's how it powers things like voice assistants, spam filters, and Netflix recommendations. There are three main types. Supervised learning. You give the model labeled data, like pictures of apples labeled as apple. Unsupervised learning. The machine explores unlabeled data to find hidden patterns. Reinforcement learning. Think of it like training a dog. The system gets rewarded for doing the right thing and punished for mistakes. Machine learning is already shaping the world around us, from healthcare to finance to self-driving cars. The more we understand it, the better we can use it responsibly. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe and drop a comment with any AI topics you'd like us to explain next.